Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, the update for Microsoft Edge, and a reminder also for all of you that are using Chromium browsers. Extremely important this week to update your browser with all the security flaws, more than 70 security flaws for Chromium, including several critical flaws. It's pretty incredible, and that is also what's fixed within Microsoft Edge. Another thing that they've changed, and it might be due to the criticism of the passwords being loaded in RAM memory, it seems that now the password manager in Microsoft Edge doesn't automatically open and load the passwords in RAM. So that could be a change for security reasons that some people have mentioned. So this update, if you go to your Microsoft Edge browser, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, you'll go down to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. And we will be at version 148.0.3967.70 here. And that is the latest version as of today, May the 16th. Was uploaded or upgraded yesterday. The new version was put online and is being pushed to everybody late Friday, May the 15th. So once again, if you have a Chromium browser, also do make that update. It is very important. That is what keeps you safe, blocking the security flaws. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.